Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to grade 3. I am your teacher and today we will start our new chapter. Take out your English social studies textbook, page number 1. Look at the chapter name, Where We Are. हम कहाँ हैं. Unit 1, The Earth as a Living Planet. Before we start reading about Earth, I would recall your previous knowledge that you all are very much aware that we have different planets. Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Pluto, these all are the names of our planets. ठीक है? But only in one planet the life is possible. That is the planet Earth. How it is possible life only in Earth? What are the essential things? The essential things are air, temperature. These are the essential things which are possible in earth. हमें हवा सांस लेने की ब्रीथिंग लेना, एयर, हवा, ये सारी चीज़ें हमें सिर्फ अर्थ में मिल रही हैं. वी आर गेटिंग इट इन अर्थ प्लैनेट. सो दैट्स वाई द लाइफ इज़ ओनली पॉसिबल इन अर्थ. नाउ planet earth, this is earth. You can see it's a round huge ball. We will read planet earth. The name of our planet is earth. हमारे जो planet है, planet को कहते हैं उर्दू में सयारा. हमारा जो planet है वो planet है earth. If you look at our planet from space, space कहते हैं खला को. जब हम खला से अब हम देखते हैं अपने planet को तो वो कैसे लगता है? It is like a huge blue ball. वो एक बिल्कुल blue ball की तरह नज़र आता है. Earth is our home and we all share it. Earth is our home. Why? Because we are living in it. हम रह रहे हैं and we all share it. और हम उसको share करते हैं. It's not just mine. ये अर्थ सिर्फ मेरा नहीं है, सिर्फ आपका नहीं है. इसमें सब रह रहे हैं. Different countries हैं, different cities हैं. We are having different people. So earth, we are sharing this earth in different kinds. What do you think that why do you think that is the case? Now they are asking you that why do you think that is the case? Why? Because only life is possible in earth. हम सांस ले सकते हैं, we can live, we can grow. It only happens in this planet. Now earth consists of land and water. अर्थ हमारा जो planet है, लैंड ज़मीन भी है और वाटर पानी भी है. 7 and water. अर्थ हमारा जो planet है, लैंड ज़मीन भी है और वाटर पानी भी है. 71% of the earth is water, whereas 29% is land. We all are aware that हमारे जो अर्थ है इसमें पानी का एरिया ज़्यादा है, पानी ज़्यादा है. अर्थ is much covered with water and land is less. Like 71% is water. 71% को जो हमारा अर्थ है वो 71% वाटर कवर किया हुआ, वाटर ने कवर किया हुआ है और 29% लैंड. The land is divided into 7 continents and water is divided into 5 oceans. Now this is the important thing कि हमारा जो लैंड है वो 7 continents में. अब continents किसे कहते हैं? Continents कहते हैं ज़मीन का बड़ा हिस्सा. कॉन्टिनेंट्स किसे कहते हैं? ज़मीन का बड़ा हिस्सा. नाउ वो आपको बता रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं कि जो लैंड है वो 2 हिस्सों में डिवाइडेड है. 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स में जो 7 है हमारे पास, और वाटर ओशंस जो हैं और जो वाटर है वो डिवाइडेड है कितने में? 5 ओशंस में. जो 71% जो वाटर है वो डिवाइडेड है 5 ओशंस में और जो 29% लैंड है वो डिवाइडेड है 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स में. अ कॉन्टिनेंट इज़ अ लार्ज पीस ऑफ लैंड एंड एन ओशन इज़ अ लार्ज बॉडी ऑफ वाटर. अभी मैंने आपको बताया कॉन्टिनेंट जो है वो ज़मीन के बड़े हिस्से को कहते हैं और ओशन जो है वो पानी के बड़े हिस्से को कहते हैं. Look at the given map, see the different continents and the oceans of the world. Now they are saying to you that look at the picture of the map and you can see different continents and oceans of the world. Now you can see this. Now we are having 7 continents. These are the continents. North America 1, South America 2, Africa 3, Asia 4, Europe 5, and Australia 6. Okay, and 7th continent is Antarctica. Now we will look for the oceans. Here is first Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, the same, Antarctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean. How many? 5. Again recall it. How many oceans? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean. We are having 5 oceans. We are having 7 continents and 5 oceans. Here in the map we have mentioned it. You also take out your books and mention the names so you can identify the continents and oceans. Now look, we will read. A continent is a large piece of land and ocean is a large body of water. I have told you before that continent हम कहते हैं ज़मीन के बड़े हिस्से को और ओशन हम कहते हैं पानी के बड़े हिस्से को. Now next paragraph, look at the given map to see the different continents and the oceans of the world. I have referred to this map before when we were on the before this paragraph. I have told you and I have mentioned the oceans and continents for you. Now they are telling you the names. Now put your fingers and take out your pencil and underline the names of continents and oceans with me. The 7 continents are North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, Antarctica. These are the 7 continents which we have point out in this map. North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. Now the 5 oceans are, now the ocean's name: Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctica Ocean, and Pacific Ocean. We have identified here the oceans here in this paragraph. Did you know that the Pacific Ocean is the 2nd largest ocean in the world? Okay, we are very much aware that Pacific Ocean is the large ocean in ocean of the world. In this full world map you can see this all area. This is Pacific Ocean. This all area is Pacific Ocean. So that's why this is the largest ocean. Now our country Pakistan is located in the continent of Asia. There are many countries in Asia. In which continent our country is located? Our country is located in Asian continent, Asia continent. And there are many countries in Asia, only not Pakistan. There are many countries in Asia which are in the continent of Asia. The map on the left side shows the neighboring countries of Pakistan, that are Iran, underline it, India, Afghanistan, and China. Now neighboring, what do you mean by neighboring? Neighboring हम कहते हैं पड़ोसी. Now they are telling you that you can look at the map on your left side which is in your books, that which countries are Pakistan neighboring countries. You can see here it is Pakistan. Now which countries are Pakistan neighboring? पाकिस्तान के हमसाया ममालिक कौन से हैं? इंडिया, चाइना, Afghanistan, and Iran. These are the neighboring countries of Pakistan. Okay, this was our today's lecture, today's topic. Go through it, underline the sentences or the words which are difficult for you. Go through the map so you can identify the names of the oceans and as well as continents thoroughly and learn it by heart. And look towards this map as well so you can identify that which countries are the neighboring. Okay, now it's your homework task. What is your homework task? You have to read out textbook page number 1, and you have to recall the name of the here. On this page you have to learn the names of the continents and the oceans. North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia. These are the continents. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean. These are the names of an Arctic Ocean. These are the names of oceans. You have to learn it. Okay students, I have prepared a poem for you which I have learned while learning the ocean's name. Continent's name. When I was in my grade, I was taught by my teacher this poem, and from this poem I can easily learn the names of continents. You all also sing with me. It's in written form as well. I will also sing it for you. Continents, continents, do you know your continents? Continents, continents, do you know your continents? Asia, Africa, Asia, Africa, North and South America, North and South America, Australia, Antarctica, Australia, Antarctica, and Europe too, and Europe too. For your convenience, I have recalled my memory and recalled this poem of continents. You also learn this poem, so it will easy for you to remind the names of the continent. आपके लिए easy होगा continents के name याद करने के लिए. I have recalled the poem जो मैंने पढ़ी थी, जो मुझे सुनाई गई थी, और अब तक मुझे continents के name याद हैं. So you can also learn this poem, and with the help of this poem you can easily come through all the names of the continents. Thank you.